Here is my brand new homemade fire alarm system. The reason why the panel is not here, it was on the last short, but the reason why it's not here right now is because, well, this is a DSC control box, and it was a Honeywell panel. That was not going to work. It needs a DSC keypad to work with the DSC panel right here, so that's the reason why. But this is actually really funny. I got to show you this. Look at the thumbs. It's so cold in my garage right now that it literally says low right here. Like, I never seen a thermostat do that before. Anyways, thank you very much, and make sure you subscribe to Thomas Innovative Mind. Thank you.